Italy's great. It's known for food all over. Everyone wants to come here. They want to eat the pasta, they want to eat the pizza, they want to drink spritz, they want to drink alcohol. Well, what better way to get into the experience of the culinary culture of Italy than to roll up your sleeves and cook it yourself. Let's go.
I'll be your host today.
Amazing. My name's Sarah. I booked on Headout. It's for the Spritz and spaghetti top?
Yes.
Great.
You can take a seat, make yourself comfortable.
Amazing.
We're gonna start soon.
So this cooking class started with an expert chef teaching us how to make the classic wine-based Italian cocktail, Spritz. From the history of the drink to how to make it, there was a lot to learn.
It's worth it, okay? Great, so we're gonna start with Aperol Spritz. Okay, does anyone know why we actually call Spritz? No? Okay, so in 1800s, I'm not sure if you are aware, part of the north of Italy was invaded by the Austrian and Hungarian, okay? So there was a little empire of Austria and Hungary. And obviously Austrians, they drink only beer. So the wine produced in the north part of Italy was too strong. Okay, so they start adding a splash of still water. Spritz in German means splash. Okay, so they obviously started with the still water, then they evolved to sparkling water, and obviously Prosecco. Okay, you can make Spritz with anything you like. So, there is no recipe for Aperol Spritz, okay? You can make it as you like it. But how are we telling you guys? You have to remember 3 numbers. 3, 2, and 1. And here we're talking about ounces. Okay? So, we put 3 ounces of Prosecco, 2 ounces of the liqueur, which is Aperol, and 1 ounce of soda water.
After this quick tutorial, we got the chance to make the drinks ourselves with fellow travellers and classmates.
Cheers.
It was so fun to be able to meet new people and learn to make spritz with them. I'll be honest here, most of the fun was drinking them. Then it was time for us to learn the art of homemade pasta making. We learned everything from making the dough from scratch
It didn't break.
to kneading the dough to perfection. Then, finally, cutting the pasta
Only halfway through. Okay? And the next thing what you're going to do is this. And you've got a pasta, and 1 little pasta.
and cooking it. In the cooking class, we learned 2 different classic pasta types. Cacio e pepe, made of pecorino romano, and fresh ground pepper.
Buon appetito.
And of course, the originally authentic carbonara with guanciale, garlic, cheese, and egg. After we'd prepared these dishes, it was time for us to sit down, eat, drink, and enjoy the fruits of our labour.
Buon appetito. So now we're at the part where we do a tip for each experience that you're going to do. If you're going to come on a food class and you're a solo traveller, buddy up with another solo traveller, because then you get to try both foods. It's great.
And folks, I guess that's about a wrap. To book this class in Rome, please make sure you check out the description below or head over to headout.com.
So guys, this brings us towards the end of the class, but as usual, we like to kind of give you a little sneak peek and give you a bit of an insider scoop. So I'm here with the fabulous Chef Bart, who hosted us today. And I just wanted to ask you, Chef Bart, what would be the one reason that someone should come and do a cooking class in Rome?
Oh, definitely. Once you're in Rome, you should come over and, learn how to do the pasta. And basically, our place is one of not many places where you can come, cook pasta, have a little bit of fun, and meet a lot of people from around the world.
Great. So if you're meeting people around the world, it basically means that if you're traveling on your own, if you're traveling in couples, if you just want to be with like-minded people that share that love for food, cooking class is for you. See you next time. Cheers.
Cheers.